This week on Pole House Black Pot Weekend Getaways, we're camping out at a family farm, and what are we cooking up for supper, hon?
Bacon chicken wraps. So stick around. I'm gonna get my in, girl.
I'm gonna get my in, girl.
Oh, put me down, Mom.
Put me down. Girl.
Oh, is that right? She's so ferocious, isn't she?
She's so ferocious.
I think she is, yeah.
Iris, what you doing over there?
Iris is hiding back in the woods, aren't you, Iris? What you doing out there, girl?
What you doing, Iris?
What? Oh, is that right?
Go back and get the duck.
Oh,
She might have to rescue her dad.
Go back and get the duck.
all right. Hold on. There you go. You're free.
There you go. Now you're free. Come on. There you go. Well, welcome to another weekend getaway. We're actually out on our family farm, the little camp spot that we came out here a couple months ago and kind of cleaned up, and we're still cleaning up, and there's lots of brush around, of course, to cut up and the nice stuff to build a little fire. And just kind of fiddle around all afternoon, just kind of burning a little bit of a brush, and we put on a little bit better pieces of oak for a few minutes to get a few better coals, because we're gonna cook our supper here before long. But haven't showed you a whole lot, have we? Just kind of hanging out.
No, we're just having a good time. We're just basically cooking. But we do have Joey and Leslie out here, as you saw in the opening there. We're got plans for next week. We're going to be at the Missouri River Valley Steam Engine Association.
Yeah, this weekend actually is Labor Day weekend. So.
Yeah, this is Labor Day weekend. So we're fixing something that Wade's thought up. And it's not going to take too long to fix it.
Pretty simple. You can probably have a version of this a lot of places. We even got one over in Boonville at a restaurant called The Cove. And it is a basically chicken bacon ranch wrap.
Yeah.
Good summertime weather, because some of it's not real hot, and it's not grilled or fried. We just cook the chicken and the bacon and everything else that kind of goes in it. It's kind of cold, so good for warm weather.
So we're going to get around and we'll get back to you.
Be long, we'll have some coals and
Oh yeah.
pull them out and cook our supper on.
Yep. Where's the camera?
Right over there.
Oh.
I could eat.
On.
You could eat. You're not hungry, are you?
No, just a little bit.
Okay, while the fire's burning down to get us some coals to cook on, I'm going to get some pieces of chicken, and we're going to put them in a bag. Still a little bit frozen, but I think they'll be fine. Okay, and we're going to get this ranch seasoning. This is just a dry ranch seasoning.
Cool.
I'm going to sprinkle this on the chicken. I don't think we need it all, probably. We'll do about half of it. I'm not doing that. I don't think we need that many, do you, hon? I just did,
We stuffed them seconds at least.
should I go ahead and do 6 of them then, Leslie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cover it for seconds, yep.
Okay.
That's what I'm thinking.
Probably didn't get a big enough bag.
Well, that chicken that Aunt Suzanne made.
Yep.
Good.
We did 4. 5, and 6. There we go. that'll be 2 apiece. That'll be perfect. Go ahead and put all that in there because there won't be enough left for anything else. Seal that up. Kind of give it a shake. And we'll let it finish thawing just a little bit more. We'll let it kind of marinate. There we go. Okay, let's see here. I think we're going to have enough coals going. You get her. Pull some of these coals out of this. Don't need this big piece. Pull these out. Nice coals. Give us a bit of where it's going. We can have it fairly hot, I think, for this. Okay, we'll grab my tongs. We'll put this back and keep our fire going. Okay, now, this is when your lid stand is really handy. You don't want to set it on the ground and then the bottom gets dirty, especially when you've been cooking. So we're going to put this on there. Right on there. And we're going to put some regular vegetable oil in. You have to cook this chicken. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so we started with bacon. I had made a mistake. I was going to cook the chicken first, but I decided that better to cook the bacon, even though I added oil to the pan. It's not going to hurt anything. Cook the bacon first, and then we're going to kind of pull that out, and then we're going to cook the chicken because that bacon grease will help flavor. Okay, our bacon looks like it's nice and crispy. Oh yeah. Start pulling it out. Now, put our chicken in. Marinated this in dry ranch seasoning. So we have that chicken bacon ranch seasoning mix flavor going on here. Alright, we'll let this cook a while. It's done, and it will be time for assembly. I don't know about you, if we had smell-o-vision, this chicken with that ranch seasoning on it is smelling absolutely wonderful.
Leslie thinks she's died and gone to heaven.
Now, we've never made these, so we'll find out how they turn out. I'll kind of rotate them. This one doesn't seem to be quite as brown over on that side. So we'll give them a little rotate. Keep it going. There we go. Chicken looks good and done. Look at that. Beautiful.
Okay, now everything's ready but the assembly.
Angel's going to do the assembly part.
All right, I'm starting off with the lettuce. I know you kind of want to do this closed, didn't you, Wade?
Well, that way you cut it in half.
Well, we're not going to be able to do that.
Presentation.
We're going to do it this way. Wait a minute. Cheese. And the ranch dressing. Ooh, that sounded almost indecent.
Bacon.
There. They're too fat the other way.
Perfect.
Looky there.
Mmm. Good.
So, come on in here, hon. You want to take a bite off of this one?
Yeah, we can do that.
Let me do this one.
Well, I did one. It didn't turn out as good.
Oh my
Eat
God.
on it too. Turn out
Oh,
good.
it's so good. Oh, yes. Tastes like you thought it would? Or better?
I think it tastes better than I thought it would.
I think it does too. This is worth fixing. Well, that about does it for this weekend getaway. And yes, we did. We got out in our woods.
Beautiful.
It's Labor Day weekend. We hope you had a great Labor Day weekend. You won't see this for a couple weeks, but that about does it. So we're going to sign off. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Give us a comment or two, something you've thought up that you want to share. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next week.
Bye, everybody. Have a good week.
You know something? I never would have thought marinating that and that ranch seasoning.
It's good.
Yeah, it is.
Really good.